Forget about endlessly scrubbing burnt pans and breaking your nails. This DIY cleaner is an absolute lifesaver for tackling burnt-on messes and rust. With it, even the most heavily scorched pan can look spotless and shiny again. Grab a tall container where you can easily mix all the ingredients. First, pour in about 1/3 cup of hydrogen peroxide. Thanks to its oxidizing properties, it helps break down stubborn grime. Next, add a good squirt of dish soap. It cuts through grease and softens dried-on residue, making it much easier to wipe away. The next ingredient is a few tablespoons of white vinegar. The acetic acid helps lift mineral deposits and dissolve surface buildup. Throw in a little bit of toothpaste, too. You can use whatever kind you happen to have in your bathroom. The mild abrasives inside will help scrub the surface completely clean and leave it looking great. Mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Grab a small plastic squeeze bottle and pour the mixture in. Screw on the cap and give it a vigorous shake so the ingredients blend even better. Apply a small amount of your cleaner straight onto the dirty or scorched surface and let it sit for a few minutes. Wipe it down thoroughly with a paper towel to remove the dissolved grime. If there are burn marks inside the pan, you can apply the solution there too. After a few minutes, gently scrub the surface with a sponge, then wipe it dry with a paper towel. Your pan will be perfectly clean, shiny, and completely free of scorch marks and tough stains. You can fix a burnt pan in just 5 minutes. Say goodbye to that annoying problem. Instead of scrubbing away tough burnt-on stains, try this simple trick. Sprinkle table salt over the burnt surface, add your favorite dish soap, then sprinkle on some baking soda. Cover everything with layers of paper towels and pour vinegar generously over the top. Let it sit for about an hour. The result? Your pan will look like new. No scratches, no damage. All the burns will be gone without any effort. Try this trick and see how easy it is. Squeeze lime juice onto charcoal. Start by taking a piece of charcoal and placing it in a plastic bag. Then take a wooden spoon and crush the charcoal into small pieces. Continue doing this until it's finely ground. Transfer the crushed charcoal onto a sieve. This is an important step to remove any larger pieces. Next, take a lime and cut it in half. Squeeze the juice into a bowl with the crushed charcoal. Mix the two ingredients thoroughly until a paste forms. Now, take a burnt pot and apply the paste. Spread the mixture over the damaged area and gently scrub it. This paste is perfect for removing stubborn burn marks from the pot. The abrasive properties of charcoal combined with the acidity of lime juice effectively remove burnt residues. Your pot will be clean and ready for use again. This paste works well on other burnt kitchen appliances too. Put the pan in a plastic bag. Just 4 ingredients and an ordinary bag will make your pan look brand new. Cleaning burnt pans and pots can be a real hassle, but this simple trick changes everything. Start by pouring a glass of cola into a container. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, which effectively removes grease. Then, mix in 2 tablespoons of dish soap and 1 tablespoon of salt. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of dishwasher rinse aid to give the surface a shiny finish. Stir the mixture well. These ingredients work together to eliminate stains and restore metal surfaces. Now take a plastic bottle, unscrew the cap, and heat it slightly. Make a small hole. Pour in the cleaning solution and close it tightly. This creates an easy-to-use applicator for the mixture. Place the dirty pan in a plastic bag and evenly coat it with the solution, ensuring the entire surface is covered. Seal the bag tightly and let it sit for 1 hour. Afterward, take the pan out and scrub it with a metal scouring pad. Then rinse with water. Your pan will be clean and shiny like new. This trick keeps cookware in perfect condition without using harsh chemicals. Your pan will look like new. I'll show you a simple and effective method to make your pan shine. Say goodbye to old cleaning methods. Start by sprinkling salt on the pan. It acts as a natural abrasive. Next, pour dish soap over the pan to tackle greasy stains. In the next step, sprinkle baking soda over the surface. These ingredients work wonders on different types of dirt, removing stains and streaks from steel components. Now, place a few paper towels over the pan. The paper will absorb excess grime and grease. Finally, pour vinegar onto the pan and let it sit for a few minutes. The vinegar enhances the effectiveness of the previously used ingredients. After a few minutes, rinse the pan with warm water and dry it. As you can see, all the burnt residue is gone. Now your pan is clean and ready to use. With this method, you no longer have to worry about burn marks. Try it yourself and see how easy it is to clean a burnt pan. Place a bar of soap in a pan and pour Coca-Cola over it. You'll be amazed by the result. This combination is brilliant. Prepare the pan and then grate an entire bar of soap. It will take a moment, but the results are worth it. Add 200 milliliters of Coca-Cola, enough to cover the soap shavings. Also, add 100 milliliters of water. Heat the mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly to prevent it from burning. Meanwhile, in a separate bowl, mix 100 milliliters of water with a tablespoon of salt. Once everything in the pan has dissolved, add the contents of the bowl. Mix thoroughly. Pour the entire mixture into a container and seal it tightly. Place it in the refrigerator and wait for the soap to solidify. When it's ready, it will change color. Use it to clean burnt pans. See how easily you can get rid of burn marks with this homemade trick. Just take a bit of the soap and wash away the burnt residue. It took me just a moment, and my pan looks like new, without scrubbing or using a scouring pad. This mixture doesn't damage Teflon or delicate surfaces. Put a roll of toilet paper into boiling water. Sounds strange? Just wait until you see the result. Boil water in a deep pan. Take a regular roll of toilet paper and soak it thoroughly. Toilet paper absorbs water like a sponge, making it perfect for this trick. Make sure the whole roll is saturated. Once it softens, gently remove the cardboard tube from the center. Place the soaked roll in another container and let it cool. Then lightly squeeze out the excess water. Tear the paper into smaller pieces. Grab a small aluminum tray and evenly spread the paper pieces at the bottom. Measure out some of your favorite fabric softener and pour it over the paper. Add some laundry scent beads. They work great for this. Cover the top of the tray with a piece of aluminum foil. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes in the foil. This is how the scent will slowly be released. Now, just place it somewhere in your bathroom, ideally near the toilet. You'll get a long-lasting, fresh scent from this homemade air freshener. It looks simple, works amazingly well, and surprises everyone who tries it.